Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden planters. Wooden planters are versatile and charming additions to any garden, patio or indoor space. They provide an opportunity to showcase plants while also serving as decorative elements themselves. Here are various creative wooden plant ideas that can enhance your gardening experience and elevate your home's aesthetics. Number 1. Tiered wooden planters. Tiered planters, crafted from wood, offer a visually striking way to display multiple plants in a compact space. These tiered structures can be designed with staggered shelves or boxes, allowing for a diverse arrangement of plants, herbs, or flowers. They add depth and visual interest to gardens or patios. Number 2. Vertical wall planters. Wooden wall-mounted planters are space-saving solutions, ideal for small areas or vertical gardens. They can be fashioned as vertical frames with built-in planters or as hanging boxes that attach securely to walls, providing an eye-catching display for cascading or trailing plants. Number 3. Reclaimed wood planters. Using reclaimed wood to craft planters adds rustic charm and sustainability to your garden. Old pallets, wine crates, or salvaged wood can be repurposed into unique and environmentally friendly planters. Their weathered appearance can create an appealing contrast with the vibrant colors of plants. Number 4. Raised wooden garden beds. Raised wooden garden beds made of wood offer a practical way to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers. They provide better drainage, soil control, and easier access for gardening tasks. Customizable in size and shape, they can fit various spaces from small urban gardens to larger outdoor areas. Number 5. Planter boxes with trellises. Wooden planter boxes combined with trellises offer a functional and aesthetic solution for growing climbing plants or vines. The planter base provides space for root growth, while the trellis supports vertical growth, making it perfect for plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or flowering vines. Number 6. Wheelbarrow planters. Repurposing old wheelbarrows by converting them into planters adds a touch of whimsy and nostalgia to garden spaces. Wooden wheelbarrows filled with soil become charming mobile gardens that can be moved around to catch sunlight or add a decorative accent to different areas. Number 7. Herb garden planters. Tailoring wooden planters specifically for herbs allow for easy access to fresh ingredients while adding fragrance and beauty to your surroundings. Herb gardens in tiered planters or individual boxes placed near kitchen provide convenience for cooking enthusiasts. Number 8. Customized geometric planters. Creating geometric shaped wooden planters such as hexagons or triangles adds a modern and stylish flair to gardens or indoor spaces. These unique shapes can be arranged in various patterns, offering an artistic element to plant displays. Number 9. Fence hanging planters. Attaching wooden planters to fences or railings maximizes vertical space and adds greenery to areas that might otherwise be overlooked. Hanging planters made from wood can be designed in various styles, from simple boxes to intricate lattice structures. Number 10. Suspended wooden planters. Hanging wooden planters from beams, pergolas, or ceilings creates an enhancing effect, especially when combined with trailing plants or flowers. These suspended planters add a touch of elegance and whimsy to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Incorporating wooden planters into your gardening endeavors allows for creativity, functionality, and a personal touch to your green space. Whether utilizing reclaimed materials, designing unique shapes, or experimenting with various styles, wooden planters offer endless possibilities to enhance your gardening experience and elevate your home's aesthetic appeal. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.